1. Start with a clear vision of your desired outcome. 2. Prioritize goals that align with your values. 3. Set specific, measurable objectives for each goal. 4. Create a vision board to visualize your goals. 5. Review and adjust your goals regularly. 6. Focus on one major goal at a time for better results. 7. Seek accountability from a friend or mentor. 8. Break bad habits that hinder your progress. 9. Celebrate small victories to stay motivated. 10. Keep a journal to track your progress and setbacks. 11. Align your daily actions with your long-term goals. 12. Practice mindfulness to reduce stress and stay focused. 13. Network with people who can support your goals. 14. Develop a growth mindset to overcome challenges. 15. Develop a growth mindset to overcome challenges. 16. Set realistic goals to avoid burnout and disappointment. 17. Use positive affirmations to boost your confidence. 18. Eliminate distractions during dedicated goal time. 19. Share your goals with loved ones for support. 20. Trust the process and believe in your ability to achieve.